Shelby's earning coupons. I'm so proud. Honey, that thing's way so big.
Huh?
I said it's way so big. Let's show how it's
But it
done.
works.
Hold it closer. Watch it bubble. You're not close enough.
Yes, I am.
See it bubbling? There you go. Swoosh. And get the little bottom pieces bubbling too. Underneath.
I know.
Right there. Yeah.
Oh,
Swoosh. You're letting me get cold.
I need a smaller thingy.
Yeah, you do.
But it's breaking, that one.
There's another one upstairs.
Can you go get
Look
it?
at all that. Ew, paint with mysterious symbols. That is so much paint. Look at that. God. What do you think, Shel? What do you think?
It's cool. This is fun. If Tyler comes over, can he help me?
Sure.
Like, can you just come over
Jason
and help?
helped the whole time Trudy did it. That's how she
I know.
got so much done.
I know. She told me. And then she got mad at me when I told her I was doing this so you could come over.
There's
She's
plenty
like,
of mantles.
It's my fireplace.
Trudy, how's your Greek project going? Terrible. I think it's awesome. Why are you mad at Shelby? You don't want to share mantle burning, melting, whatever?
What are you talking about?
You're the cutest kid on the planet. Have I ever told you that?
Yeah, plenty times.
Huh? She's doing a Greek brochure. Look at that.